Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So as you guys go ahead and see, we definitely still have some custom interior pieces to actually go ahead and install. Today we're actually going to go ahead and be installing the floor mats here on the 2011 Shelby GT500. So a huge shout out to Custom Interior because they actually did offer the seat covers. However, because we have the Recaros, that's not actually going to go ahead and work. But they did offer the floor mat, so we're gonna go ahead and put those in. So before we actually do that, we actually have this new jumper here that we're actually go ahead and try out. I actually did get this from the TikTok shop, so if you guys wanna go ahead and pick one up, it's gonna go ahead and be there on my TikTok. And the reason why we need this is because the Shelby is actually dead. I did try to crank it, there is nothing at all to it, so let's go ahead and hope this is enough. So walking over here, you go ahead and see immediately that this thing has the hood already popped because we did try, and obviously it was dead, so we had to wait for this portable jumper to come in so that way we can go ahead and get this started. So this case is really nice quality. We have the actual jumper out already. Honestly, these cables, typically on these smaller ones, they're not that big. You can go ahead and see it actually on the iPhone. So it's actually super cool on the screen. It actually shows the voltage. I actually had no idea that was actually part of it, but we're gonna go ahead and make our way over here to actually go ahead and, again, hopefully this starts up. We got light though. We got some chime. Get the fuel pumps running. That's good. This is all good so far. All right, let's start this thing up. So we just finished installing the floor mats in the Dark Horse here. However, we're not done yet because we have the GT500 right there. We just put some gas in it. We're good to go there. Now it's time to actually go ahead and install the custom interior floor mats, and I'm looking forward to it. So we just kicked out the Dark Horse, and now it's time to go ahead and take a look at the Shelby's interior. And I'll go ahead and say this is a 2011, so there's going to be some differences, but go ahead and see the interior is pretty much perfect. I had it for a couple years. I bought it originally with 11,000 miles. Now it has almost 31,000, so we definitely added a few miles there. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these floor mats, which again look perfectly fine. We definitely want to go ahead and continue protecting the interior here, including the floor. So taking these out and actually putting the custom interior ones is definitely gonna go ahead and do that job for us. So we're sliding it in right now. We'll go ahead and say this one's a lot bulkier compared to the other models just because how the interior in here, how the trim actually goes upwards. So they actually give you these extra clips here so you could just slide them underneath. So just like the other models have them over here, which makes things a lot easier, I'll be honest with you. So we're gonna go ahead and start sliding these clips underneath so that way that we can hold it in place. And there we have the passenger side all in now, all tucked away as well. So this is good to go. Now this car itself is really dirty. So we actually have someone's gonna come detail this tomorrow. So honestly, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and wait for. Once it's all cleaned up, then we can actually take it out. Then we can get some nice videos of the interior. So just because the car likes to go fast doesn't mean it can't look good as well. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we're finally going to go ahead and actually see the 2024 Dark Horse manual here, obviously, versus the automatic 2017 Red Sport 400. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and actually change this into track mode, or drag mode actually. We'll just do a drag mode. Honestly, I feel like this should be a very close race. Yes, there's going to be a little bit of driver mod. However, this thing is already crutched from factory with the shifting points, and obviously that one is just not going to have the driver mod in there. But it should be still a good run because that one should be making around 400 to wheel with the tune, and then this one is obviously 500, quote unquote, but in reality it's around 400 as well to the wheel. So if we take an L right now, it's definitely okay. Are you ready to race it to sunset? On you! got me, bro. Woo! That was solid. That was solid. Alright, so let's definitely go ahead and talk about it. So obviously the first one, no doubt, the Red Sport got ahead. I feel like we definitely started a little low, so on the next two, we definitely stepped it up a little bit there. Again, I knew it was gonna be close, but I did not expect it to be that close off the first rip. So after that, we knew we had to adjust, and we were able to secure the dubs. So 2 out of 3 goes to the dark horse, but again, did not disappoint. Both of them performed really, really well. So again, 100% stock, literally nothing done. We still have the carbon filters in the intakes. So again, literally nothing at all done performance-wise. We just got a lot of cosmetics. On this one, on the other hand, does have a tune on it, but again, nothing crazy. Has an exhaust, still has the cats. It got the resonator deleted. However, again, nothing crazy at all. So I felt like this was a very close matchup on paper as well as on the street. So if you guys definitely want to see a little bit more of this kind of content, definitely consider subscribing. It would help out a lot. With that being said, we are going to go ahead and grab the 3-piece here. Same thing as that one. However, we're going to stick it to the side over here with the Jeep, and we're going to go ahead and get some nice rolling shots with that sunset. Hopefully we can make it and get this dark horse rolling, because it is the victor. So now we got the 3-piece here, and now we're going to go ahead and just clip it on. Makes it so simple. And we're going to go ahead and get them some rolling shots. We're going to shoot vertical, so it's going to look a little off, to be honest with y'all. Because we're probably not going to be able to stop to do horizontal. However, we definitely want to get the vertical for the reels, because if you're not yet following me on Instagram, definitely do that, as well as TikTok, where this is also going to be more than likely.
You're not even recording.
That's all right after.